Okay, let's move on. We have a couple in the Midwest because we're not going to leave out the good old Midwest. Chicago, I think, is one everyone's familiar with. Great, easy spot to get to. Really fun, especially great weekend trip because you can pack a lot into a couple days. I've stayed at the Hyatt Regency Chicago, another category 4, so that's another great option for those Hyatt free night certificates. It used to have a club lounge, and I just looked, and it sounds like it is closed now, which is kind of a
Wah,
big bummer.
wah.
Yeah, it was a nice setup because they had the club lounge, but they still gave you breakfast down in their full restaurant. So you could get snacks throughout the day in the lounge and then a full breakfast. That is not the case anymore, but it's a great location and, easy on the points budget if you're looking for a quick trip to Chicago. And I can't leave out my hometown of Columbus, Ohio. Guys, it's a lot cooler than it sounds. It's a lot cooler than most people think it is.
Okay.
We actually have a lot going for us. There's a really big art scene. There's a short north area with tons of galleries, restaurants, very hip. I've stayed at the Le Meridian Columbus, the Joseph. You can book it for 40 to 70,000 Marriott points per night. Also, if you want to move out into the suburbs a little bit, there's an AC Marriott in Dublin that is in the downtown Dublin area, which is a really fun area. It's been revitalized in the last 5-ish years. There's 2 sections connected by a pedestrian bridge over the river, lots of shopping, lots of restaurants. The AC has a rooftop bar and restaurant that looks out onto everything, and it's all within walking distance right there. If you're traveling with kids, well, even if you're not traveling with kids, our zoo is only about 10 minutes away from that hotel in Dublin, and it is consistently ranked one of the best zoos in the country. So it's a great spot for a
Well,
couple of nights.
okay. Okay. Well, we can't cover every city and every region, but we have one more. This one comes from Christine on the team, and she says for a budget weekend, St. Louis is a great option. There's an affordable Hyatt and a Hilton, both by the Arch. The Hilton is a good place to use up your Hilton Amex credits. There's a lot to do. The Arc paddle boat ride, botanical gardens, the Clydesdale horses at Grant's Farm, the Anheuser-Busch Brewery Tour, the Science Center, the zoo, and more. Downtown is easily accessed from the airport by the Metro Light Rail, and the city would just make a great weekend getaway. All right. Thank you, Christine.
Awesome.